Hello students, in the last class we studied about the mechanism of addition of hydrogen cyanide and with sodium hydrogen sulfite. That mechanism is very important, and also we are explained that sodium bisulfite, the reaction with sodium bisulfite, the forms the white solid, and with hydrogen cyanide the forms the cyanohydrin. And also we are mentioned acetophenone not form white solid with sodium bisulfite due to that of the steric effect. Next you consider reaction with Grignard reagent. Reaction with Grignard reagent. Already this is studied under the alcohols chapter. You directly consider formaldehyde. Formaldehyde formula is HCHO. HCHO. Oxygen is more electronegative. It gets the delta minus. Delta minus polar. Carbon gets the delta plus. We know the formula of the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent formula is RMgX. That again R carrying the delta minus and magnesium electropositive carrying the delta plus. You can write the intermediate. That intermediate is HCH. Then to this carbon atom, this R get added. R. Then to the O, MgX get added. This is the formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. This is the intermediate. This for intermediate on acid hydrolysis. In acid hydrolysis, here bond cleavage takes place. To this part hydrogen get added, to this part OH get added. Then you observe this is the formula RCH2OH. RCH2OH. Then forms MgXOH. MgXOH. What is the name of this compound? Can you guess the product form? RCH2OH. It is a general formula for the primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. When that formaldehyde, among the aldehyde, formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent. For the 1 mark, they can ask the general formula for Grignard reagent as RMgX. Formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent, addition product formed, which on acid hydrolysis, you get the primary alcohol. Similarly, instead of formaldehyde, any other aldehydes, that is aldehyde means RCHO. RCHO. This is the aldehyde molecule. Aldehyde when reacts with Grignard reagent or MgX, same you consider the polarity delta plus, delta minus, R carrying the delta minus, magnesium carrying the delta plus. Similarly, we can write the intermediate form. That is intermediate is RCH. To this carbon R get added, then OMgX. Yeah, again this undergo acid hydrolysis, H3O plus, hydrolysis takes place, acid hydrolysis in the presence of the acid, hydrolysis takes place, this is the product formed, here bond cleavage occurs, to this part H get added, to this part OH get added, then the product formed is RCH, ROH plus MgXOH, then can you guess the product formed? This RCHROH, it is the general formula for the secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. That is formaldehyde. Among the aldehydes, formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent, then you get the primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. In the case of Grignard reagent, if you take R group as the CH3, R group as the CH3, and X as the iodide, methyl magnesium iodide, then you can guess the product form. That is R means CH3, R becomes CH3, CH2OH. What is the name of this compound? CH3, CH2OH, nothing but the ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. They can ask this one for 1 mark. When formaldehyde reacts with methyl magnesium iodide, followed by acid hydrolysis, name the product form. At that time, no need of writing the reaction. Just you assume aldehydes. Among the aldehydes, formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent, form the primary alcohol. In the Grignard reagent, in the place of R, they are considered the methyl group. and the product formed is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. We get the primary alcohol RCH2OH. R replaced by the CH3, hence we get the primary alcohol as an ethyl alcohol. This is very important. Similarly, in the when aldehyde reacts with, for example, acetaldehyde reacts with, acetaldehyde means R equals to CH3. Acetaldehyde, R replaced by the CH3. Acetaldehyde reacts with methyl magnesium iodide, followed by acid hydrolysis. Then can you guess the product formed? That means here R also replaced by CH3, this R also replaced by CH3. The product formed is CH3OH. That is isopropyl alcohol. Generally, formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis. Primary alcohol formed. Aldehydes other than formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis. They yields the secondary alcohol. In already alcohols chapter we discussed about this reaction with Grignard reagent. Similarly, ketone means RCOR. Ketone reacts with Grignard reagent RMgX. Then you can write the addition product as RCR. This is the ketonic part. This R added to the carbon. Then one more R, OMgX. This is the reactive intermediate. This intermediate on acid hydrolysis, H3O+, here bond cleavage takes place to this part HOH. Then the product formed is R3COH and MgXOH. Then what is the product formed? This is called as the tertiary alcohol. This is about the reaction with Grignard reagent. Next we study about the reaction with alcohol. Next one is reaction with alcohol. Consider aldehyde RCH double bond aldehyde reacts with one mole of alcohol, one equivalent of alcohol in the presence of dry HCl gas. Then there results in the formation of alkoxy alcohol intermediate. That is, alkoxy alcohol formula is, this is RCH to the O. From this alcohol you take RO minus and H plus. Here it is delta plus, delta minus. By using this one, to the O part H get added, OH, and to the carbon OR get added, alkoxy part get added. This is called as an hemiacetal. This is very important. Hemiacetal means this is an alkoxy. This part is an alkoxy. OR means an alkoxy. Alcohol. This is the alcohol. This OH is an alcohol. That is, hemiacetal means alkoxy alcohol, commonly called as an hemiacetal. When aldehydes reacts with alcohol in the presence of dry HCl, hemiacetal is formed. This is the formula of the hemiacetal. What is hemiacetal means? It is an alkoxy alcohol. This is the intermediate. Hemiacetal is formed. This hemiacetal further reacts with one more mole of alcohol, another equivalent of alcohol in the presence of an acid H+. Then that removal of the water takes place from this OH and from this H2O removal takes place to this O, R get added. This is the product. R, CH, OR. This also becomes a OR. This is commonly called as an acetal. Acetal. Acetal is foreign. Here, what are acetals means? You observe this OR is called as an alkoxy. This is also an alkoxy. Both the alkoxy group bonded to the same carbon. In the alkyl halides chapter, we are considered that geminal and vicinal. Geminal means the identical halogens bonded to same carbon, it is called geminal, and the adjacent carbon, it is called vicinal. Here also you observe the alkoxy group bonded to the same carbon atom. Hence this acetal we can call it as the geminal or gem dialkoxy. Gem dialkoxy compound. For the 1 mark, if they ask what are acetal, what are acetal? Acetals means the gem dialkoxy compounds. Gem dialkoxy compound called as an acetal. Alkoxy alcohols are called as an hemiacetal. This is important for the 1 mark. Hemiacetal and an acetal. Or they can ask how aldehydes reacts with the alcohol. This is the reaction. Aldehyde when reacts with alcohol results in the hemiacetal and acetal. Hemiacetal and acetal. Hemiacetal means alkoxy alcohol. Then acetal means the gem dialkoxy compound. Gem dialkoxy compound. This is the reaction with alcohol for the aldehydes. Aldehyde. This is important one. Next you consider the ketones. For the aldehydes, we are using the monohydric alcohol. You take a ketone, RCOR, ketone. This is delta plus and delta minus. For that ketone, you take a dihydric alcohol. A dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol example is CH2OH, CH2OH. This is called ethylene glycol. In alcohols chapter, we are considered as this one as an ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. This is the ketone. Ketones reacts with a dihydric alcohol called ethylene glycol in the presence of the dry HCl and dry HCl. Here that H2O removal takes place. H2O removal takes place. That is these two H2 and this carbonyl oxygen. H2O removal takes place. Then the product is RCR. Then here O. This is O from in this side. Then CH2, CH2. This is the compound. This is called as a cyclic product. This is a cyclic product. A cyclic product is formed. That cyclic product known as the ethylene glycol ketol. Ethylene glycol ketol. From the aldehyde we are using acetal. From the ketone we can consider that ketols. Ethylene glycol ketol. This is the reaction of ketones with the alcohol. That is, this is the ketone molecule. Ketone reacts with a dihydric alcohol, ethylene glycol. Water removal takes place. H2O removal takes place in the presence of the dry HCl or HCl gas. Dry HCl or you can take HCl gas. Here H2O removal takes place from this O, that is this is delta minus to this delta minus. By using that O to the carbon atom, this O get bonded, OCH to OCH2. This is a cyclic product. Cyclic product name is the ethylene glycol ketol. Ethylene glycol ketol. This is about the reaction with alcohol. In the next class, you can study about the reaction with ammonia and its derivatives. That is also very most important. These are all comes under the nucleophilic addition reactions.